Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to find system information such as RAM, motherboard, CPU, GPU on your PC, Windows 11 PC. It is quite simple and you don't have to download a third-party tool if you need basic information for your Windows 11 PC, including hardware. So what you have to do is first right click on the start button on the taskbar and here select settings. When settings opens, select here system and on the right click on About tab that is at the bottom on the right side. Here you can find basic information about your Windows 11 machine. If you want detailed information, then you have to click on the start button and here you need to type system information and you need to click on the system information app that is available in the search results. It will open system information window and here you can see a lot of information about your PC including physical RAM, available RAM, page file, time zone, OS version, BIOS and a lot. If you want even more information then you need to download a third party software Specky. It is free to use. So open any browser on your PC and type here SPECC by Specky and you need to click on download a Specky link. That is free software from CCleaner, a very known application. CCleaner. Here click on the download free version. Then scroll down and click on the free download option. Again scroll down and click on the download option. Now it will be downloaded on your PC. As you can see here, it is around 8.5 MB. Now open it and install it on your PC. It is totally clean software. Additional nothing additional will be installed on your PC. Once it is installed on your PC, run Specky. And it will analyze your PC and then it will show all information related to your PC, including you can see here it is showing temperature of my CPU. It will show every information including operating system, CPU, RAM, motherboard, graphics, storage, optical drives, audio. You can see each and every information related to your PC hardware. You can see here detailed information. Motherboard, you can see here this is temperature of my motherboard, 27 degrees centigrade. Like this you can see each and every information on your PC. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Windows, do hurry up. A lot of videos are waiting for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.